Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to wash a Honda Fit engine. Start by disconnecting the battery and covering the intake and electronics with plastic, then gather degreaser, brushes, and a low-pressure sprayer. Work on a cool engine in a well-ventilated area and wear gloves and eye protection. Use gentle motions with brushes to loosen grime and rinse carefully to avoid forcing water into sealed components. Begin by applying a biodegradable degreaser to oil and grease spots and allow it to soak briefly, keeping the surface damp. Agitate with soft brushes and nylon picks to lift deposits without harming hoses or sensors. Rinse gently with a low-pressure sprayer from top to bottom, avoiding direct blasts at electrical connectors. Dry with compressed air or towels and inspect seals and clamps before reconnecting the battery and starting the engine. After rinsing, use compressed air and clean towels to remove water from crevices and around sensors, taking care not to force air into delicate fittings. Check hose clamps, electrical connectors, and visible seals for looseness or damage, and replace any compromised parts. Reinstall protective covers, remove plastic from intakes, and only reconnect the battery once everything is dry. Start the engine briefly to confirm normal idle and check for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.